January 27th, 2021, practice number 4. All right, so we're going to identify the integer for the given statements, and then we're going to plot that integer on the given number line. So we are going to take a look. So remember when we did our positive and negative with our positive and negatives, putting them with the words? So we're going to take a look here. So if you deposit $10 in the bank, that means you're gaining $10. So that's going to be 10. If you went up 2 flights of stairs, you gained 2 flights of stairs. You went up. If you climbed down, so first of all, deposited is going to be positive. Went up, that's also positive. Whoop. Climbed down, that's going to be negative. So down 9 feet, so it's going to be -9. And a debt of $2 is going to be a negative. Sorry about that, the phone rang. All right, so the debt is going to be a decrease or down, a debt. If you owe somebody something, you're going to be -2. A debt of $2 minus $2. So now we're going to take these numbers that we have here and we are going to plot them on the number line. So a deposit of $10, so 10 is positive 10. I'm going to plot that point there on the number line at 10. Went up 2 flights of stairs, I'm going to plot that at +2. Climbed down 9 feet, I'm going to plot that at a -9. Climbed down 9 feet. And a debt or negative of $2, so I'm going to be in debt of $2. So that's going to be where our points are on the graph, and that's going to be it for our practice 4. Great job.